Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So we're going to be using up some old pearl cell pour medium and paints that I have that they need to be either thrown out or used. And because if you ever notice, if you keep your paints too long, there is like a smell, they almost turn. Especially if there's the floetrol and the different pouring mediums in them. That's what I've found anyway. If you're new here, please like and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well out there, and let's get started. So I can't really tell you the colors if I can remember what colors they are, but really it's I think there's a Payne's gray, and they're golden fluids, teal, there's a gray green that I use, there's a light turquoise, some gold and some browns, and there's actually a Modern Masters green. So these are just, like I said, all colors that I need to get rid of. I also do, when I do my pearl cell pours, I swipe in a little of the cell activator of a 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white. I usually throw that in. So I'm not sure what colors I'm going to be using, but let's get started.
Silence. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. Of you, hand in hand is how we sleep every night, and I will watch you, breath after breath, hold on, so beautiful, and if you fall, I will catch you. From a distance, I can, so beautiful, I can hear you within the silence. Ooh. the ground.